Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this tiny bow, this beautiful tiny bow. You can place it on baby shoe, you can place it on baby dress and accessorize it with on any of your projects. For this project, I'll be using double strand of yeye yarn, the one you are seeing on your screen right now. I'll be using double strand and I'll be using 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, scissors with tapestry needle for weaving in ends. So I'm making a magic ring like this. So this is our magic ring. We'll make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Treble crochet. We are going to be making 6 treble crochet. 1, 2. So these are treble crochet. Yarn over 2 times and this is 2, 3, 6. So we have 6 treble crochet. So chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch right to this magic ring. This is what we have. Now we are going to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make another 6 treble crochet right into this magic ring. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch right into this magic ring again. Chain 1 and cut off your yarn. But before you cut off our yarn, we are going to fasten off this ring to close it, as you can see. Now cut off your yarn, but leave a little bit long. Fasten off. This is what you should have right now. So pick one of the double strands like this and turn it right, but make sure it's very firm like this. Leaving this a bit long like this, and the other one, work it directly opposite this one. So we bring this one like this, for the other one we're going to bring it like this. Now we are going to tie firmly at the back. Cut off this excess yarn. This is what you have right now. So we're going to attach it to our project, either our booty, or you can make it plenty and put it on your dress, your baby dress, or any of your projects that you want. Look at how beautiful our bow tie is, our tiny bow tie. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Bye.